पावर आवर पे सिर्फ वर्कआउट नहीं होने वाला है. We are going to step into the ring with a man who's a singer,
ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਡ੍ਰਿਪ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਲਾਈ ਫਿਰੇ ਅੱਗ ਤੇਰੀ
actor, director, and a fitness freak who treats his body like a temple.
ਪੰਪ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਫਸੀ ਡੋਲਿਆਂ ਚ ਸੈਂਡੋ
One and only Parmesh Verma with us.
ਬੀਟ ਪਲੇ ਕਰ ਯਾਰ, ਆਪਾਂ ਮਾਈਕ ਡ੍ਰੌਪ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ.
Hi Janvi, how are you? Welcome
I'm
to
good.
Punjab.
Thank you. If I'm not wrong, you used to work in Fitness First in Australia.
Yes.
Did you realize back then something that was your personal journey would mold such a big thing in your career?
Not really. Like, I mean, I used to work in a bar and I would train in the gym every single day. And I remember when I lost my job at the bar, I was having a sip of water and wahan likha tha, you train every day, why not work here? And that thought was like, yeah, I could work in a gym. And then I met one of my best friends, Mikey, who actually now owns one of the biggest boxing gyms in Australia. He was the one who got me into boxing, and then Fitness First literally shaped my life.
So we're going to get into a lot of this, but पहले थोड़ा warm up कर ले. आपका warm up usually कैसे start होता है?
I think a quick run before a workout session for boxing, I think that's ideal.
So an outdoor run.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. It's dark right now. We're
Yeah, the
working out
weather is
in
nice.
the night.
You could feel the breeze.
So let's go. I'm very excited for
Let's go,
this.
guys.
What does your usual workout routine look like? And you work out 7 days a week?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I'm not really supposed to, but I think I train for myself. I generally do train every day.
Do you mix it up, or do you train, or do you have like a specific routine that you train to?
It was last year when I actually started boxing again. Now I prefer doing 3 lifting sessions and at least 3 boxing sessions. And one day is basically either cardio or stretching or, whatever it may be.
While the run was super fun and tiring as a warm-up, अभी हम actual workout में जाएंगे. So are we doing a bit of calisthenics?
Yeah, we're doing a quick circuit, then we'll probably hit the bags and then we'll do some pad work.
The kind of music that you make has so much masculinity towards it, and it has this appeal towards it. So is that a part of your brand and image?
I think the base of most of your songs should come from a really genuine place. I think even when I'm doing a party song, it does have a workout reference or like a gym reference. Because I think that's what the audience kind of connects with. They know who you are as a person. They listen to your music. They also understand it's commercial. But they want to find soul in the music. And your soul will also come from a very genuine place. I feel more confident doing those songs. Because it doesn't feel like I'm lying. It doesn't feel like I'm capping.
Which is your favorite track that you listen to, or is it one of your tracks because they are so powerful for the gym, or is it some other track?
I did a song for Hanumanji. It's called the Hanuman Drill. I love that song. Really amps me up. I do listen to a lot of like Central C, Stormzy. But at the same time, I do prefer listening to Hanuman Chalisa, Bajrang Baan while I'm training. So I'm either this extreme or that extreme.
That extreme.
Yeah.
So what are we doing next?
So we'll do some barrel ropes now.
Okay.
Squat position. Over there. Willy Wonka.
Because you are a trained boxer, I want you, and I want this for our audience as well, if you had to train a woman specifically in terms of defense boxing as a beginner, what could we do?
बहुत heavy मतलब जिम्मेवारी डाल दी मुझ पे.
हाँ, कर सकते हो आप ये, मुझे भरोसा है आप पे.
I think what women should do is join a boxing gym for starters. Ashu, एक मिनट गाल सुन इधर आ. So he's Ashu, he's a trained boxer. So Ashu idhar khad. So I think for a boxing combination, you could either go like a hook and a cross, but maybe like a girl might not know how to throw a hook.
Yeah.
So I think the ideal position is have your weight at the back so that when you throw across, you could put more power in. You know how girls slap? Instead, you could just pretend that you're slapping, so you just get somebody confused like this, just go that and then go across. But the technique behind the cross is basically putting your weight on your right leg and just, putting all the force with your hip. So when you box, you realize your strength isn't in your arms or your core, it's actually in your legs. So it's the direction your hip is moving towards where the power is going to go. So you can just like pretend that you're slapping. So the guy's obviously going to get confused with that. So as I hit karki, you can just go crack. That's the punch.
So in 2018, you were shot in the leg. So how did you recover from that?
I think more than the physical part, it was more mental. That's when I kind of inclined towards spirituality a little bit. I was just trying to seek answers so things could make sense. I haven't been able to train properly ever since because, it was quite bad. But I think that's what I signed up for. You chose a life and it comes at a price.
Let's get into some boxing now.
Yeah, let's go.
Look, go like I'm Kobe, 24 on the clock, grinding hard till the morning, promise that we won't drop, and I can take no losses.
Man, I miss my trainer. I would have done this so much better if my trainer was here. My combinations are flawless. We start with basic 1, 2.
Okay, left leg ahead. 1,
then you go 2.
2.
So, up.
Up.
Kumao karke. Yeah, so you go 1, 2.
So 1, 2.
2. So basically, you twist your thing. Like, try to hit with the yeah. Hanji. So don't release the power like this. Come back. Yeah, you वापस आना भी उतनी जरूरी है. So come back. Come back. Yes.
You go big, rock big, but a house. Never switching my team. I'm down for the route.
Now let's try hooks. Let's try 4. Any boxes watching, I am sorry. We are just trying.
Yeah, we're trying. I'm new. I'm novice. Everyone.
Next thing you know, they're like, Parmesh, tujhe bhi nahi aati. So after one good boxing session, when you're done, it's the best high. You're just laying there and the endorphins are just running through your body. It's the best feeling ever.
Lovely. So now we are going to move to our second last segment, which is beat the clock.
Beat the clock.
Beat the clock. We're gonna plank for 1 minute and we'll see who holds it longer.
We going big, going big. We going big, going big.
So I'm gonna start you can start oh, you started the timer already. Okay then. What is this one cheat meal that you can't go without?
Kaju di barfi meri favorite hai.
Kahan ki?
Kahin ki bhi ho.
How important is diet for you in your workout?
I mean, diet is quite important. Unless I'm training for something very specific, I don't really follow a very strict diet. I try to keep my macros in check.
Done. 5 seconds.
Yeah. Let's keep going.
Side?
Yeah.
Okay, then we can shift to your side.
My side, what do you mean?
Side plank.
Okay.
Has there been any crazy fan request you've gotten?
Every single day.
Abhi bahar bhi mili.
Yeah, a lot of people would say, "Bhai, meri shaadi hai, apni gaadi bhej de."
Sorry. Great. Very, very, very good. Now we will move on to our last segment,
Which is?
our rapid fire round.
Ooh.
Weights or cardio?
Weights.
Morning gym or late night grind?
Morning.
One fitness habit you've never skipped?
Shoulder press.
Cheat meal you absolutely cannot say no to?
Barfi,
Kaju barfi. The song you put on you need to push through the last set.
Bajrang Baan.
One exercise you genuinely hate but still do.
Squats.
Best body in Punjabi entertainment right now, which is not you.
My younger brother, Sukhan.
Punjabi khana ya strict diet?
Punjabi khana is my strict diet.
One fitness myth you wish would die in 2026?
Yeah, cardio doesn't help you lose weight. It helps you lose muscle.
2018 got shot and came back. One word for that chapter of your life.
Life goes on.
Rocky Mental or Shera? Which character would win a real fight?
Shera. Any day.
Okay, let's go. That's your rapid fire round.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Now let's go for a cool down session. So for your movie Tabha, you gained almost 25
25
kgs.
kilos, हाँ जी.
And how was it like looking at yourself in the mirror?
Disgusting. I've never hated myself more. I remember I actually have a Snapchat. I think whichever year the movie came out, I think 23 it came out. So 2022, 31st of December, I was in Goa performing at a show. I was wearing a jacket with nothing underneath because I was so big. If I wore a t-shirt or a shirt, it'll just pop up out too much. So I remember having a few buttons open and right where my gut began, I tied it down and I sucked my gut in during performance. I came back and I called one of my boys, कि यार, what have I gotten myself into? कि weight lose हो जाएगा कि नहीं, कि बहुत बड़ा पंगा ले लिया. And it was just for one shot, but it was so important to show that how this guy, because I had such a strong perception, like with my physique, with my beard, I always look like Parmesh Verma. It was really hard for me to break that character and actually show people कि यार ये बंदा सच्ची शराब पी के तबाह हो गया. I had the same problem regarding Sher as well. But it was fun, like to be able to gain all that weight and lose it. It just gives you a different kind of confidence in yourself.
I have another question for you. So you have a beautiful daughter, Sada.
हाँ जी, Sada.
Sada.
हाँ जी.
So if there's one thing that you would like to tell her, because she would be watching this video 20 years from now, and how much you've overcome in terms of your fitness, your journey, Australia, being on survival mode to here, what would you want to tell her?
Nothing. Just live, be you. Don't listen to anybody. हर चीज दी कीमत सा है. I don't think you should be influenced by anybody. Even I keep telling my fans too that don't look at just look at what I do. Don't look at what I show. Because at the end of the day, Instagram is a shop. This is content, and this is as close we can get to reality. But I don't think, one should be listening to anybody, even your parents. I think this is your own journey. Of course, you can learn from their experience. But for my daughter, I just want her to just be happy. And
I think this advice would follow for all the kids out there as well. But it was so lovely having you on Power Hour with us. You have an amazing energy and you bring so much more than just fitness. So thank you so much. This is it, guys. This was Power Hour with Parmesh Verma with us. Keep powering, keep sweating, be grateful, and keep your spirits as high as your weightlifting. Thank you so much.
And don't forget to watch Shera on the 15th of May. My movie is coming out. It has great cast. It has Sonal Chauhan, Dakshajit, Yogaraj sir. It has an amazing cast. Do watch our movie, guys.
Please go watch. Please, please, please. Thank you so much for tuning in.